Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram account to personal account. Right? It's very easy and you can just do it and just tip up your fingers. So let's open our Instagram here. Once you open it, in the bottom right side corner you will see this profile icon. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, if you have a professional account, then here you can see that it will show in your on our profile, the professional dashboard. So this is the only way to identify whether your account is a professional account or not. So if it is a professional, then your dashboard will be look like this. But if you don't, then I will show you how to do it. On the top right, you can see that the three horizontal lines. Just tap on it and scroll a little bit down, and somewhere you will find here account status, right? So here you can see that it is my already a professional account, that's why it's showing me this kind of things. But let me show you how to change it into personal. So guys, if you just come here for professionals, click on creator tools and control. Once you click on it, you will get this option of switch account type, right? So here if I just click on switch to personal account, it will ask me that are you sure that you want to change it to personal. Then if I just click on switch to personal account, then my account will be a normal personal account. Let me show you. So here it will just take a few seconds. You have to just wait for it till it get done, and once it's done you can just go back and refresh it. So here you can see that my professional dashboard has been gone, and in personal account you can also make your account private. So this is how you can change your account from business account to personal account. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.